Hey cruisers, I'm Sherry with CruiseTipsTV.com. Today we're sharing our top 10 princess tips and money saving tricks, and what better place to do that than right here on a princess ship. We're going to start with our first 3 tips for you today right here in Oceanfront, where you can buy accessories and things like that. We're on Sapphire Princess this week. Now, the thing we want you to know about Princess these days, number one thing you need to know is that there's 3 different ways you can book a Princess cruise. There's 3 fares. You have a basic fare, which is like a saver fare. You have Princess Plus, which includes gratuities and a drink package, and also includes an internet package for 1 device. And you also have a new package called Princess Premier that includes all of those things that I just mentioned in Plus, plus a little bit more with Premier. You're going to get a photo package, you're going to get a 4-device internet situation, and you're also going to get some princess games or princess prizes, which are kind of tied into the casino. So regardless of which one you choose, you now have lots of options, and you can work with your travel agent to figure out what is best for you. You should also know now that all princess cruises are Medallion Class. That is right. If you're cruising with Princess, no matter what, you are a Medallion Class cruiser, whether you're in a suite, an inside stateroom, a 20-day cruise, or a 3-day cruise, you're a Medallion Class cruiser. That means that your stateroom card is going to be replaced with this little doodad. It's a little medallion. It replaces your stateroom card, and it does so much more. You can order food to your room with your Medallion app, and with this, you can enter your stateroom door in a keyless way. It's frictionless embarkation and debarkation. So much good stuff. Now, tip number 3, thing that we want you to know is actually a money-saving tip, and that is that you can buy your accessories on the Princess website or in the app in advance of your cruise if you would like, or you can wait until you get on the ship and buy them here at Oceanfront or whatever store you have on your Princess ship. But we have a little hack for you. You can actually buy AirTag accessories, and they fit your medallion just fine, and you can buy them on Amazon. We're going to link to just a couple of those in the description of this video. Now let's go check out a new location on the ship for our next few tips. We are now in front of Club Fusion because Club Fusion was our muster station. So let's talk about how Princess is handling muster drills these days. Just like the rest of the industry, they've converted over to basically an e-muster. No more crowding onto the open decks or into the theater for your muster drill. All those days are gone. Remember how we mentioned the app a little earlier? You're going to need someone in your party to have that app downloaded to watch a quick safety video. And then all you have to do is report quickly to your muster station, check in, scan your medallion, and you, my friends, are off to lunch. Speaking of lunch, let's head down to the dining room and talk about Dine My Way. Princess has converted to something called Dine My Way. Dine My Way is where you can use the app to make dining reservations every night of your cruise. Now, if you are a traditional Princess cruiser, kind of like me, you know, the kind of person who likes a paper menu, you can kind of treat Dine My Way like traditional dining. All you have to do is make your dining reservation for the same time in the same venue every night. Not sure about your table assignment and you want to sit in the same place every night? No problem. Just pop over to the maitre d' on night 1 and let them know that you'd like that kind of traditional dining experience, and I have a feeling they'll do their best to accommodate you. That's what we did on our most recent cruise. Don't let Dine My Way be something that turns you off if you're a traditional cruiser. Once you've booked your Princess cruise, there's a brand new program you can opt into if you'd like, and that is Princess Cruises' Bid to Upgrade program. You should get an email, or your travel agent should get an email before your cruise offering you the chance to spend a little extra money and move up to a new cabin category if you'd like. It's totally optional. We want to let you know today that if you do not receive that email, you can go to the website, plug in your booking information, and find out all about the upgrade availability at that time. Our next tip for you today is to download the Princess Cruises app pretty much as soon as you book your cruise. It's really helpful for getting you checked in and ready for your cruise. It's where you're going to locate your boarding pass. It's where you're going to do a lot of really cool stuff online, like order drinks delivered to your stateroom. You're going to get your boarding pass ready on day 1. It's going to help you to check your stateroom account during your cruise. You can even locate your shipmates with it. It's really fantastic. Download it right away, get it on your phone, and get used to using it. At least one member of your party is going to need it. Now, that doesn't mean that Princess is going to make you use it for everything. In fact, on our cruise, they still had paper menus in the dining room, and you could actually get real menus around the ship. You don't have to use it for absolutely everything, but it does give you the option to do a lot of that stuff if you would like to. So maybe you find checking in on the app to be kind of annoying and you just don't want to do it. Guess what? There is a workaround, my friends. There's actually this little tiny link on the website in the check-in area in your cruise planner where you can complete the whole check-in process on the website, old school, if you'd like. Now, you don't have to, but it's certainly a nice option if you don't feel like the app is an easy place to upload your passport and all that other good stuff. You can give it a try if you want. Princess has something new that I thought was a total gimmick when it came out. It's called Princess's Medallion Pay and Rewards. It's where you can use your medallion to pay for stuff on shore. Look at me, I feel like Wonder Woman right now. It's actually really cool, you guys. You might be going to a jewelry store or a pharmacy or a restaurant or a gift shop, and you'll see that they have these little Medallion Pay logos in the window. And what that means is when you enter that store, you can just pay with your medallion. But that's not necessarily the coolest part. The coolest part is they actually give you some cash back. It's true, you'll see it right in your account. It's absolutely fantastic, and we think that you're gonna love this. We gave it a try at a pharmacy in Puerto Vallarta, and we felt really secure using it. One thing you should know is it's best to register your credit card before you go ashore and use it. But if you don't, the merchant can actually register your credit card for you. Okay, our last tip today is regarding Ocean Now. Ocean Now is actually the app that you use to order stuff once you're on board. It's a portion of the app that you use to order stuff. So it's where you can have drinks delivered to your stateroom. You can have room service come. You can have room service bring your tray. You can have more towels from your stateroom steward. You can have gifts delivered. There's all these different things that you can do with Ocean Now. But one thing that we've learned on our cruise, and the last tip that we want to leave you with today, is that using Ocean Now to order drinks like coffees and cocktails and waters, especially if you have a drink package, is an excellent way to maximize Princess Plus or Princess Premier. So we think that you should use that, because if you think about it, guys, what cruise line allows you to use your drink package for room service? That's essentially what Ocean Now is doing. Well, we hope you've enjoyed these 10 Princess Cruises tips and money-saving tricks. We are live on the high seas, so you're getting all the noise and the reality of being on a cruise. We hope you've enjoyed just a little bit of a different change of pace and scenery today. Leave your Princess Cruises tips and money-saving tricks down in the comments. We'd love to read them, friends. And until next time, we'll see you on the high seas. Bye-bye.